Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Amazing Whip IT Miracle Cleaner. Amazingly removes toughest stains from fabric, carpet, upholstery and many more. Over 500 different uses. Some people want a single product that can handle whatever messes may occur, and Amazing Whip IT Miracle Cleaner rises to that task. This plant-based cleaner is said to have as many as 500 uses, including removing oil, dirt, and even pet stains from concrete. It works by breaking the chemical bond of a stain, lifting it in no time. It's biodegradable and safe for most surfaces. Amazingly removes toughest stains from fabric, carpet, upholstery and many more. Over 500 different uses. Whip It breaks up the chemical bond of stains in seconds. The formula was designed to tackle even the most serious stains without using harsh chemicals. This plant-based cleaner is formulated using pure, powerful, plant-based ingredients like lemons, limes, oranges, eucalyptus and essential oils. Use Whip It multi-purpose specialty cleaner to tackle the bathroom, kitchen, floors, glass surfaces and more. Our second best garage floor cleaner is Singerman Rust Remover for Concrete. Singerman Laboratories Rust Stain Remover for Concrete is the most effective cleaner in the marketplace for removing rust stains from concrete and natural stone. Makes the concrete or stone surface look like new. Frankly, we've been unable to find another product that actually removes rust stains from concrete, except those that are so harsh that they remove the stain by also removing the concrete. It is supplied as a white powder which is mixed with water just before application, forming a clear gel. The rust stain remover is spread on the surface and left for 1 to 15 minutes, depending on the severity of the stain. The stain disappears without scrubbing. Rinse thoroughly to prevent redeposition of the stain. Will not harm grass or other vegetation. Third in our list is Simple Green Oxy Pressure Washer Cleaner. The biodegradable formula satisfies the criteria of the United States Environmental Protection Agency's Safer Choice program and is suitable for use around pets, landscape plants, and wildlife. It works well with concrete as well as other materials such as wood, composite, vinyl, metal, fabric, plastic, wicker, stone, brick, and asphalt. It can be used on driveways, foundations, siding, and other surfaces. Simple Green Oxy Solve Total Pressure Washer Cleaner can be used as a pre-treatment before pressure washing to weaken the bond of stains to concrete, or it can be used in the pressure washer's cleaning solution reservoir for one-step cleaning. This cleaner uses peroxide to effectively remove dirt, grime, mold, mildew, moss, and algae stains. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best garage floor cleaner list is Zep Neutral pH Floor Cleaner. This concentrated formula yields up to 128 gallons of cleaning solution, reducing storage space requirements. For improved maneuverability and more efficient cleaning without leaving a residue, Zep recommends using a microfiber mop with this product rather than a traditional string mop. Zep Neutral pH Floor Cleaner Concentrate is ideal for sealed concrete floors, marble, granite, vinyl, and stone. The neutral pH formula helps to keep the polish on the floor without removing the protective coat. It cleans and shines without rinsing. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is CAF Outdoor Cleaning. This concrete cleaner employs microbes to break down hydrocarbon chains and petroleum oil in order to remove deep concrete stains caused by gasoline, diesel, oil, grease, petroleum-based material, and other substances. For optimal home use, Eximo Concrete Cleaner Solution is a natural, waterless formula that is tough on stains but safe for surrounding plant life, grass, your family, and even pets. This concrete surface cleaner is safe for use on a variety of outdoor surfaces, including your driveway, sidewalks, parking lots, cement or concrete patios, entry stairs, pavers, and other similar surfaces. Our concrete driveway is easier to use than a pressure washer or power cleaner and can be used on wet or dry surfaces. Simply apply and leave on the surface, no need to sweep or wash away. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!